Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Saint Peters Harbour is a small coastal community on the northeastern shore of Prince Edward Island in Kings County. It sits at the entrance to St. Peters Bay, where sheltered waters meet the Gulf of St. Lawrence. The harbour is surrounded by sandy beaches, dunes, forests, and productive farmland, giving the area a landscape that reflects many of the natural features Prince Edward Island is known for. The community has a very small year-round population, estimated to be fewer than 100 residents. During the summer, that number increases as seasonal homeowners and visitors arrive to enjoy the beaches, boating, fishing, and peaceful coastal setting. Like many rural communities on the island, families here have strong local roots, with many living in the area for generations. Long before European settlement, the Mi'kmaq people traveled through this region, using the bay and surrounding rivers for transportation, fishing, hunting, and gathering. European settlers later established farms and fishing communities along the shoreline, taking advantage of the fertile soil and sheltered harbor. Over time, St. Peters Harbour became an important part of the local fishing economy. Commercial fishing remains one of the area's primary industries. Lobster is the most valuable catch, and the spring lobster season brings significant activity to the harbour. Fishers also harvest species such as herring, mackerel, tuna, oysters, mussels, and soft-shell clams when conditions permit. The fishing industry supports many related jobs, including boat maintenance, seafood processing, transportation, and marine equipment services. Agriculture continues to play an important role in the surrounding countryside. Farms produce potatoes, grain, hay, soybeans, and other crops while raising beef and dairy cattle. Prince Edward Island's rich red soil has made farming a cornerstone of the provincial economy for generations. Many local families have combined farming and fishing to provide steady employment throughout the year. Tourism has become another important source of income. Visitors come to explore the beaches, sand dunes, walking trails, and calm waters of St. Peters Bay. Boating, kayaking, birdwatching, cycling, and photography are popular activities throughout the warmer months. Seasonal accommodations, restaurants, campgrounds, and tourism businesses help support the local economy each summer. One of the community's best-known landmarks is the St. Peters Harbour Lighthouse, which stands near the harbour entrance. The lighthouse has long served as a navigational aid for fishing boats and other vessels traveling along this section of the coast. It also serves as a reminder of the island's long maritime history and the importance of safe navigation in these waters. Housing in St. Peters Harbour remains more affordable than in most major Canadian cities, although waterfront properties are in high demand. The average home in the surrounding area generally sells for between $300,000 and $400,000 Canadian dollars, depending on its size, condition, acreage, and distance from the water. Waterfront homes and vacation cottages often sell for considerably higher prices. Today, St. Peters Harbour remains a quiet working harbour where fishing, farming, tourism, and outdoor recreation continue to shape everyday life. Its scenic coastline, sheltered waters, and rich maritime history make it a place that represents the enduring character of rural Prince Edward Island. Thanks for watching!